Hi, this is Tim at AB Flooring and Stairs. We install your flooring, no matter where you purchase it. Free estimates. Call me 7 days a week, up to 10 o'clock at night. I personally answer the phone every time you call. I have over 50 5-star reviews on HomeAdvisor, Angie's List. I personally work on every job with my 2 sons who are learning the business hand in hand, day in, day out. Let me put my 23 years of experience to work for you. No moldings, I hate them. We don't use them in the doorways. Dustless cutting of all flooring, so there's no mess in your home. These are just a few of the things we do differently. What we really specialize in is stairs. Wood stairs, laminate stairs, vinyl stairs, but my favorite, stair treads. Stair treads will last a lifetime. No need for a stair nose. Stair treads are 1-inch thick pieces of oak or any species of wood that you like. We then custom stain your treads to any color you like. My son Hunter, he's the Picasso of stain and finishing. We put 4 coats of urethane finish on to make them bulletproof when we're done. They're resistant to water, stains, dents, you name it, pets. They will last you a lifetime. No staircase is complete without that new handrail. We do wood, wood and iron, glass, and of course cable railings. Cable railings, that super modern look. When we're done with your stairs, it will look like $1 million, but it won't break the bank. We have options for all budgets. If you don't see what you're looking for in this video, I have over 20,000 pictures. I've completed over 6,500 jobs. My work can be seen in hotels, universities, stores, malls, medical offices, in the homes of celebrities, athletes, and even a rock star. We're always up for a challenge, whether it's a border, custom inlay, complicated repair, or a job someone told you couldn't be done. Let me be the judge of that. Call us first, and we'll get it done. There's no job that's too big, too small, or too difficult for me and my sons. Call us at AB Flooring. Our prices will amaze you, but our service will floor you. Thanks for watching, and call anytime for that free estimate. Remember, I answer the phone 7 days a week till 10 o'clock at night. Thank you.